Great news, you have finished your first level of the first grid. So you should be on level 1D, and you should have clicked how to take a quiz, and it would have taken you to this video. So I want to tell you a little bit about how quizzes and how tests are going to work. Now, a quiz will just cover the material from that level. Everything from level 1A, level 1B, level 1C, it's fair game to be on the quiz for level 1D. Now, when you have a test down at level 3, your test will cover everything from that level as well as the previous level. So on this test here, since it's in level 3, you will have questions from level 1, level 2, and level 3. There are a few rules about taking a quiz. First thing is that a quiz needs to be taken during class time. And that is whether you are distance learning or in the classroom. You need to be taking a quiz during quiz time. If you are in the classroom, I hope to have some of our privacy boards, and I would like you to put those up around you. That way, those around you know that you're taking a quiz and to be extra quiet. I will be having a conference with you after your quiz, after I'm able to check it. So it might not be right as you hit submit, but it will be a few minutes or maybe the next day, but you can move on to the next level. So if you take your quiz on level 1D, I will have it, and you will move on to level 1 or 2E. You might actually be on 2F before I have a conference with you. But just remember, when you're taking a quiz, you might have to go back and do some extra work, maybe in level 1C, to help you possibly retake your quiz, which is going to be explained in level 3I. Let's see here. What else do I want to talk to you about? When you click on quiz, sometimes it'll say quiz time, sometimes it'll say quiz. It will take you to the Go Formative actual quiz. All right, and let me look at it like you'll see it. So this is going to be your quiz. Now, it actually shows me in real time when you're responding, when you finish, when you start. So it's really important for you to do it during class time. That way that I know that you're just working on that quiz. You'll move down. I try to always put a cute little picture on there. So I hope you are having a great day. And then here is your quiz. So right here is the quiz. I've scanned it in, and over here are the questions. You see level 1, or number 1, corresponds to number 1. In your own words, explain how the unit calendar will help you through your grid. So you will click the plus sign. You can add any of these things, or you just click right here and then you can type. So obviously on this one you're going to type. You're not going to make a video, because if you do that, then others around you might hear, and I want to know what they know, not what they heard you saying. Then you'll move down to number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. When you're finished, there'll be a button for you to, you'll submit it, and then it'll show up for me to view the responses. Okay? All right. I think that is all that you need to know about your quiz. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember, you can look over anything before the quiz starts, but once you start the quiz, there should not be any use of notes or things like that. It is based on the honor system. So I trust you all to do your own work and show what you know. Do not panic, because if you do not do well, you'll have a chance to retake.